Hello, everybody. Wolfang here. Today is Monday, September the 16th. Beautiful day in Cincinnati, Ohio. We are currently sitting in 85 degrees. It's nice and warm, nice and sunny, nice blue sky. And enjoy it while you can because we got winter coming along. Although, in our area, I have a feeling we're not going to have a bad winter. I don't think, and I'm saying this so it's recorded. I don't think we're gonna see that much snow. I think it's gonna be warmer than usual. I think that's what I think. That's my prediction for winter time. Anyway, I hope everybody had a great day. Today's news is brought to you by Pringles. Sour cream and onion. Gotta have a snack when I come home from work. So let's see here. Another attempt to shoot Trump or not to shoot Trump. That's the question. China is messing with the Philippines, I've read. As a matter of fact, it was a 60-minute report. You can check that out. Supposedly, 60 Minutes was actually on a Filipino ship. I don't know if it was like cargo, military, whatever it was, but China was out there and they hit their ship. I saw that this morning. So there's chaos going on everywhere. Need to call in the Ghostbusters. So, yes, I'm going to talk about the assassination attempt on Trump. There's a lot more going on with this, though. So let me share this article, and it talks about the guy. He sounds like a real doozy. Says suspect in Trump assassination attempt laughs in court. There's a picture of his dumb ass. I don't know. I'll leave my comments for the suspect in the attempted assassination of Donald Trump laughed in court before he was charged with firearm offenses. Now remember that, firearm offenses. Less than 24 hours, he's thought to have made an attempt on the former U.S. president's life. Ryan Roth was seen smiling and laughing with his lawyer. Moments later, he was charged with possession of a firearm by a prohibited person, a convicted felon, and possession of a firearm with an obliterated serial number. He obliterated it. They say he just fucking rubbed it out. The first charge carries a maximum penalty of 15 years in prison, while the latter offenses carries up to 5 years. Both can result in a $250,000 fine. Roth, dressed in a navy blue overalls, appeared calm and collected throughout the hearing on Monday, which took less than 10 minutes. He told the courtroom 5 at the Paul G. Rogers Federal Courthouse that he earns $3,000 a month, has zero real estate, owns 2 trucks in Hawaii, and has 1 dependent, his 25-year-old son. Magistrate Judge Ryan M. McKeeb set a pre-trial detention hearing for next Monday and an arraignment hearing for Monday, September the 30th. Roth could face further, more serious charges as the investigation continues and Justice Department prosecutors seek an indictment from the grand jury. Roth was initially brought into the courtroom through a door to the right of the judge's bench at just before 10 a.m. with three other defendants. Minutes later, Roth, who was shackled, was removed. He re-entered the court at 10:35 a.m. and spoke intently with his lawyer, federal public defender Christy Milado. I don't know, as they reviewed court documents. He was the 16th and final case heard before Mr. Kebab, Maccabee, I don't know, on Monday morning. He was sworn in at just after 10:46 a.m. and the judge unsealed the criminal complaint. It was sealed. Prosecutor Adam Craig McMichael argued that Ross should be detained ahead of his trial because he was a flight risk and posed a danger to the community. Asked about his financial standing, Ross said his youngest son was a dependent. He said he had a job but requires occasional support. When asked whether he had other possessions with value, such as jewelry, he replied, "No, nothing." Court was adjourned at 10:55 a.m. and Roth was escorted out. Officials alleged on Monday that Roth had hidden in bushes surrounding Trump's golf course in West Palm Beach and pointed a gun with a scope at Trump, who was around 400 yards away. Now, the news keeps, let's see, 300, 350, 400. Anyway, it was the second apparent assassination attempt targeting Trump in 3 months. On July 13th, a bullet grazed the former president's ear when gunman Thomas Crooks fired a volley of bullets while he spoke at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania. So, I heard, I don't know how true this is, the FBI is in charge of this now. And the director of the FBI or some high official in the FBI made the comment that this guy did not fire the rifle. So they can't charge him with an assassination attempt. I'm saying that's what I heard. If anybody knows anything else different, add it in a comment. But the FBI, they were the only people that fired shots. They're saying he did not fire that rifle. The rifle was pointed, and they just said on the news the rifle was pointed at Trump. And then this morning I heard the rifle was just pointed towards FBI. Now, the FBI saw him, so was he like, oh, they see me, so so he moved his rifle, but he didn't. Supposedly, he didn't fire a shot, but he's got that background record, convicted felon, a weapon that he apparently scratched the serial number off, obliterated. That's fun. I love how they word stuff sometimes, but I don't know. He's excuse me. Is somebody hiring him to do this shit? Or is he just a loony out there that just doesn't like, what's going on with the president, past presidents, whatever his political belief may be. I also heard with this guy that he did move to Hawaii and that he has a company that it's a construction company, but they said all he does is build boxes for homeless people. So how's he getting paid to do this? If they're homeless, I don't think they have any money. And apparently it sounds like he doesn't have any money. So I'm sure more. I just, I don't think that this conspiracy, there's going to be all kinds of stuff coming out on this. I think the guy was just fucking off his head, off his rocker, whatever. I don't think he was hired by some underground whatever. You know, there's a group out there. If they want to get rid of somebody, they don't need a bullet to do it. I mean, I'm just saying, if they really wanted to get rid of people, high officials, whatever you want to call them, it could happen. So, and I'm not saying I'm affiliated with these people or I know these people, but there's some special op motherfuckers out there that know their shit. So, and what's the other? They say everybody's got a price. Missionaries, they all got their price. I'm not a missionary, so I would have no idea. So, but I mean, more and more news is coming out with the Trump thing. And the other thing, I did see, they said, I guess Biden made a statement that he agrees that Trump needs more security, better security. And then I think Trump asked for the same security that Biden and Harris are getting. So we'll see how this all plays out, because we have, what, 50 something days, 50 days until election time. So the story's going to get thicker, or the plot thickens, however you want to put it. I don't know. But anyway, I thought I'd share that story. You know, and I've been to court, and I sure in the hell wasn't standing in front of the judge laughing. So, I mean, that kind of tells you right there the minds. Some people just don't give a fuck, man. Period. It's dumber and dumber every day. It's so weird. And I'm not no rocket scientist, but Jesus. So anyway, this is Wolfang. Have a great Monday evening. Have a great week. Let's get through this week. Make it to Friday. And we can all have a great weekend, too. So, blessed be. Stay safe. I'll bullshit with y'all later. Bye.